type of bread would you like for your sub?
I'll take Italian, please.
Alright, pull up to the next menu.
Wait, there's more than one menu?
Now, what size of sub would you like?
6-inch.
Alright, pull up to the next menu.
Bologna, would you like bologna?
Sure.
You got it.
Do you want more bologna?
Sure, a little more.
Hey, did we add enough bologna? 'Cause we can totally add.
8 minutes later.
Subway foot lettuce.
Dude, the last thing I'd want on my Subway sub is...
Okay, sir. Pull up to the next menu.
Wait, what on earth?
Okay. Picture this, man. Papaya in your meatball sub. Huh?
12 hours later.
Anchovies?
Dude, on a sub? Gross.
Duly noted.
The chicken or the egg?
I don't know, man. Nobody knows.
Super secret special sauce.
Will it get me through this line any faster?
I'll put you down as a maybe.
No. 1 eternity later. Okay, now why on earth would I ever want a... Actually, yeah, sure, I'll take 2.
Alright, sir, pull up to the menu number 26,358.
So much later that we had to hire a celebrity to keep our viewers entertained.
Shamalama ding dong.
Paper or plastic?
I don't care!
Paper it is.
Alright, so you said a 6-inch on Italian bread with bologna, lettuce, mayo, ham. Actually, I said no mayo. Go ahead and pull around the back of the line. Oh yeah, hi, can I have a Big Mac?
Yeah, man, we can have that ready for you in like 30 seconds.